In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track your income and expenses, set up budgets, and review financial reports. Managing your finances may sound daunting, but with a structured approach, you can gain better control and clarity over your personal or business finances. Let's begin by focusing on tracking your income and expenses. The first step is to gather all your financial statements, receipts, and other necessary documentation. This will include items like bank statements, pay stubs, utility bills, and any records of your income or expenditures. Having a complete picture of your financial situation is imperative, so make sure to collect all relevant documents. Once you have everything you need, decide on a method to track your income and expenses. You could use spreadsheet software, a dedicated app, or even stick with pen and paper, depending on what you find most convenient. Each method has its own advantages, and what's important is choosing one that fits your lifestyle and that you can maintain consistently. If you're opting for software, think about creating distinct categories for your income and expenses. For instance, under income, create sections for salary, freelance work, or any other earnings you might have. Similarly, for your expenses, divide them into categories like rent, groceries, utilities, or entertainment. Organizing your finances this way will offer you a clearer view of where your money comes from and how it's being used, providing a detailed overview. Updating your records on a regular basis is crucial to keeping everything current. This might mean entering data daily, weekly, or as soon as a transaction occurs, whatever frequency fits your lifestyle best. Maintaining consistency is key to ensuring accuracy, allowing you to spot spending trends or irregularities over time. While this habit might seem like a tedious task initially, it ultimately becomes a highly rewarding routine, providing both clarity and control. Now, let's move on to setting up budgets. Once you understand your income and expenses clearly, it's time to establish budget limits for each category you've set. Review your past spending patterns carefully, identify any areas where overspending occurs, and allocate realistic amounts based on your income. Your budget should align comfortably with your financial goals, whether that's saving for a major purchase, building an emergency fund, or trimming down unnecessary expenses. A fundamental tip when setting budgets is to be adaptable. Life circumstances can change unexpectedly, requiring adjustments in your budget. Being open to these changes without feeling restricted will help you stay on course without undue stress. Remember, your budget is a living document meant to support your financial well-being, not limit it. Finally, let's talk about reviewing financial reports. At the end of each month or financial period, dedicate some time to analyze your financial data. Most financial software and apps can generate comprehensive reports that offer insights into your spending habits and overall financial health. Pay close attention to the areas where you stayed within budget, as well as places where you exceeded your limits. This process will guide you in identifying potential changes or reallocating resources more effectively. By following these steps, you not only cultivate a habit of financial literacy, but also gain unmatched insight and control over your finances. Consistently tracking, budgeting,